Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't set process priority in Task Manager. First, you want to open up your Task Manager and keep in mind you can only do it from the Details tab and not from here. So head over to Details and find the one you want to do it with. Now, in my case, if you cannot do the set priority, it's not here. What you want to do is go to Properties and then from here go to security. Then you want to press edit on all of this. So first do the system one, edit. Then in here you want to select this one, make sure everything is allowed. Go to the next one, make sure everything is allowed. Go to the next one, make sure everything is allowed. Now if some of these are on deny, that can cause the issue that you cannot do it. So like I said before, you want to make sure that it's on all of this or allowed. Now once you have done that, it should work. Otherwise, try restart your PC and then you can do it. Now keep in mind, some of these things you cannot actually change the priority, so some of this will be some Windows service that you cannot do it on, but for most things you should be able to do it, like all games and stuff like that. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.